Check out this beast of a robotic window cleaner. Meet the ECOVACS Winbot W3 Omni, a robotic window cleaner that I've nicknamed the washing machine because this thing can do a lot of windows. So if you have a lot of windows in your house, a lot of glass, a lot of big pieces of glass, then this is definitely going to help you out. And I do want to let you know ECOVACS did send this out to me for a full honest review, but I do not allow any other types of sponsorships on any of my channels. And now the W3 is not for a normal window. You can get normal windows done faster and easier, either by hand or using the Winbot Mini. But this is an upgrade from the Winbot 2 Omni that had the base station, but now they've upgraded the base station to have its own vortex wash that will clean the washing pads in about a minute, and it has its own onboard clean water tank and dirty water reservoir. So you no longer have to get your hands dirty after you wash a window, or actually during washing one window, you can have the washing machine get the next one ready for you. So you are never have any downtime and you're ready to go to clean the next window. So if you have a lot of glass, this is definitely the one to get. If you don't, definitely look into one of the other products because this thing definitely not for every type of home. This is someone who has a very special home with a lot of glass, big panes of glass. Now, I tested this out on the biggest pane of glass that I have right between two normal windows, and it works quite well. It's actually the same size robot as the previous W2 and W1. The difference is the base stations. The W2 added the normal base station, and now the W3, this adds what looks like a washing machine. And they're very similar in cleaning capabilities. This is really designed for someone who has a lot of windows and want to get them done quickly and easily as fast as possible. With this washing machine, you can get the next mopping pad ready to go even before the robot finishes the window that it's currently on. And as you can see inside, it has these turning bristles that spray water and really get the washing pad clean, and then it's going to drain all the dirty water out into the dirty water reservoir. Now, this does have an app that you can use this with, and you can remote steer it. So if there's a specific spot that you want to get to, you can definitely remote the robot to that spot, spray on water, and really scrub at it. But otherwise, you can do all the other controls from the base station. You can select fast clean mode or a deep clean. And this also has corner cleaning. So two of the corners of the robot has a little, you can see here, little blue things, little scrubbers that will actually scrub the edges and the corners. So it gets those edges and corners really, really good. You can see I put some paint on here just so you can see in the video as it's cleaning. It doesn't get everything on the first pass, but because everything's overlapped, it does get everything all nice and clean. Now, one thing to keep in mind, the water that it's squirting out from the robot is not from the Omni station. There's no hose that goes between the Omni station and the robot. You do have to fill up the robot with liquid. That could be the cleaning solution from ECOVACS, or it could just be straight up water. It's all your own preference. So that wire that you see there is just for power and for security. So if it does happen to disconnect from the window, if it does lose suction, that wire will save it from falling on someone's head. Now, the base station itself is quite heavy, but there is a security wire that you can tie that base station to a piece of furniture or something a little bit heavier, just so that base station doesn't go flying out the window either if the robot falls off. And like I said, this is quite heavy. This is not for everybody. You do need to be a bigger person to carry this because it does have an internal battery, and there's also an extra battery that comes with this that you can put in that same little cabinet in the back with the power wire and the security wire. But you don't have to use that battery. That will save a few pounds, but still this thing is big and bulky, so definitely keep that in mind. Especially once you add the liquid to the clean water tank, this thing definitely is quite heavy. And then the other minor con that I have with this, I really wish the robot itself would be inside the base station like in the W2. Unfortunately, this mounts to the rear of the base station. I just thought that was just a weird design. Really wish it was all built inside, where you don't have to worry about that falling off. I do like the handle of the base station. It is quite heavy, so I can't emphasize that enough. But overall, this is a great window cleaner for the right situation. You gotta have a lot of glass in your house. You gotta have the big panes of glass and a lot of them to get your real value here. You gotta be in a really fancy house with a lot of glass that you need to get clean quickly and easily, because this thing can do it, where you can swap out the mopping pads, get it washed up without getting your own hands dirty. You just throw it into the little washing machine, and then you change them out whenever you need to, and it keeps the cycle going. So you can get the windows clean quickly and easily. So definitely check this out if you have a lot of glass clean in your house, because this thing is definitely a beast that I call the washing machine. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.